Hi and welcome to this video on designing rating stars with Figma. So to begin, we will start by designing an empty stars component. Then we will duplicate it into 5 different states from 1 stars to 5 full stars. Then we will transform those states into an interactive components. So here is our last preview as an interactive component. Let's get started. Before we jump into this tutorial, let me tell you about Master UI Plus. It's the ultimate Figma design system with over 200 interactive components. You can create amazing user interfaces in no time. Just drag and drop to get fully interactive components in your prototypes. And the best part, you can get 40% off if you click the link in the description. Alright, let's get back to our tutorial. First, create a new design file and rename it to rating stars. Then let's go to the resource button, pick plugins and type in Iconify, hit run. And now let's select our stars, type in stars in the search field and let's pick 2 icons, 1 empty, click and drag, empty stars, and 1 full star. Click and drag to the canvas. Alright, let's begin with our empty stars. The first thing, we're gonna duplicate the stars to 5 stars. Let's hit Command C and Command V to duplicate. Let's do it 3 more times. Then select all my icons and let's change the space between 10 pixels. And then let's go to create new component and let's rename it to rating stars. Then let's go and create a new variant. And here in the property of the variant, let's rename it from property 1 to states. The first one will be state empty and the second one will be state 1 star. Alright, next let's grab our filled icon and let's move it to my first icon. Let's get it out, which is inside. It's inside my first icon. Let's move it on top of all the icons and make sure it is aligned on top of the first empty icon. This is 1 star. And let's change the black color to a bright green color. Alright. Let's increase size to 25 pixels. Realigned, or let's say 26, 28. Alright, 28 pixels. And here we go. Let's change also the black color of my stars to a darker gray. So select the 2 variants and here in selection color, let's pick gray color. Alright, now create new variant, duplicate the first star, Command C and Command V, and move it on top of the second star and rename the state to 2 stars. Let's do it again, create new variant, duplicate the second star, Command C and Command V, then move it on top of the third star, rename to 3 stars, create 4th variant, duplicate the 3rd stars, move it on top of the 4th star and rename it to 4 stars. And the last variant, Command C and Command V, and move it on top of the 5th star. That's great. Let's rename it to 5 stars. Alright, now let's go to our prototype tool and let's connect all those icons together. Select the first icon, not the first variant, but the first icon frame. And let's connect it with the first variant. And in action, let's pick while hovering and smart animate. Next, let's select the second variant or the second icon of the first variant and connect it with the second variant while hovering and smart animate. I mean the third variant, which is 2 stars selected. Then let's pick the third icon and connect it with 3 filled stars while hovering and smart animate. Alright, select the fourth icon frame and connect it with 4 filled icon while hovering, and the last stars connected with the last variant while hovering. Alright, now to see our final result, let's create a new frame, go to Asset and click and drag our stars component, then select the frame and hit the play button. Now if we hover our stars, it will be filled. If we go back, it will be empty. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial. You can find the download link to the exercise file of this tutorial in the description down below. And if you are looking for more interactive components, then you should check out Master UI Plus. Everything you need will be at your fingertips when it comes to interactive components, and this will make your design process faster and more efficient. And one last thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.